Good morning guys, in front of me is HUAWEI MediaPad M5 Lite, and let me show you how to activate developer options on this device. So first of all you have to find and select settings. Not camera but settings. Then scroll all the way down and click on System. Select About Tablet, scroll a bit lower and locate build number. So here it is. Now tap on it 7 times. And as you can see, from now on, you are a developer. So now let's go back. And as you can see, developer options appeared over here. So under System. Tap to open. Use those options however you like. And then once you want to hide them again, smoothly unmark the stop switcher. And as you can see, they already disappeared. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.